Do you struggle to add slider to your project? In this video, you will learn how you can add a slider or a carousel within just minutes. So let's go to the code. We have a file website.html and we have the images. So we have these 4 images, different images we have for the slider, and we will add it. So let's go to the code, and first we will have a boilerplate, and then we will go to the browser and I will search for slick.js, and we will go to the GitHub repository of it. So let's go to the GitHub, and here you can see how you can add it. Just copy the CSS onto the head, and we also need to add this before the body, closing body tag. So we have added it. Now Slick we have added successfully, but we also will need jQuery to run it. So we will next go to jQuery, go to the first link, and we will go to the CDN. Here we will have the slim minified, and you can choose any. I will choose this minified one, and I will add it above the Slick. So now we have added the jQuery and also the Slick. Now let's create one more script tag, and in this we will initialize the Slick. So let's go to the code. So here is how you can initialize. First we will jQuery ready, and then inside it we will use this Slick. Okay, so this is the object. We have this class as slider. Now we will add here inside the body, add the main content of the slider. So let's make a div, and inside this div we can have multiple divs, and inside these divs we will have the image. So let's just take the image. This is one, and similarly we will have the other 3 images. Let's change their name, and to this we can give it a class of wrapper, and let's add some very basic styling, that the wrapper will have maximum width of say 500 pixel, and it will be centered. So let's give it a margin of auto. And to this wrapper, now inside this Slick we need to give the class to which we want to add the carousel or slider. So since we have this wrapper, and inside it there are different children of it, so let's change this slider with the wrapper. And here we can define certain properties, like if we want arrows, so we can give true, dots true, and there are other also other like many properties. So like one, slides to scroll, slides to show. So let's keep it 1, and slides to show as also 1. Let's just check it now, refresh. So the image is coming like this. Let's just check once if everything is fine. We have added the jQuery. Okay, so jQuery we added at the wrong place. We will add it here at the before the body, not in the head. Let's refresh again. And to these images, let's give them the maximum width of 400 pixel. So you can see now it is working. If I scroll, we have the slider, but we are not able to see the arrows. And if I remove this, if I make it like 600, because right now some part is being cut off. So let's refresh again. Yeah, much better. Now it's centered, but we are not still able to see the arrows. So let's just do one thing. Let's make the body background gray. So maybe we'll be able to see the arrows now. Yes, arrows are coming. So this is like coming as a slider. If you want, we can hide these arrows. There are like various properties which we can actually use. We can define the speed, and we can also run the autoplay. So yeah, this is the autoplay. By default it's false, so let's change that. Autoplay true. We can also define the speed, so let's make it 1 second. It's in milliseconds, so we made it 1000. Let's see. Yeah, it's running. So this is pretty much easy to add this slider. You can also explore the other properties, like you can define the effects, whether you want to keep it linear or any other, and also we can make it infinite or not if you want. By default it's true. You can also remove that, make it false, and we can also make it responsive. There is like a particular block, so here is you can add the magic. They're saying the magic. So to responsive, you can actually define the number of slide based on the different screen sizes. So breakpoint and slides to show we can define in the settings. So for this screen size, we can define the number of slides we want to show, or whether we want to show the dots or not, or arrows or not, or if we even like don't want to use the slick anymore, so that also we can define. So, and also like if you want to do run a particular logic based on the swiping or something, then also in the events you can add that. In the events you can add just the elements. You can target particular element, and then on swipe you can define anything, and these are the different kinds of events that you can use. So yeah, that's pretty much for this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.